So here we go, steering servo for the head, to rotate the head. Okay, so if you turn left, the steering wheel turns left, the wheel turns left and right as well. So there's a steering servo in there. All I've done is connected some wires to that, run the wires up his trouser leg. It will go into his torso. Here's the other steering servo. If I pull that apart like that, you just stick the steering servo inside his body. Have a little, and then you connect the head to the servo, and then the head will turn at the same time as the wheel and the steering wheel. So it all kind of adds a little bit more realism, basically. It's just elastic holding all the joints together, instead of those stiff joints there and here. I literally cut those all out, and the elbow completely, removed the elbow, removed the shoulder, yeah, and then padded it out a bit, stuffed some stuffing around the shoulder, around the back, just to fill it all out a little bit so it all looks realistic. And here you can see the elastic instead of the elbow, making it very loose, very flexible. Touch it from the wheel, yeah, it's just floppy. But once it's attached to the hand on the wheel, it becomes like it's got some stability to it. Once you've got the clothes on it, you just can't tell.